It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's so hot here in Medjugorje. You see somebody's getting a beer, a cold beer. You have to drink something. It's so hot. You see not a lot of people on the street because it's really hot. But I wanted to show you how things are. You see also in the coffee shop there are not so many people because it's hot. And I'll show you a little bit around 4 o'clock now. Extremely hot. Little walking tour here on the main street of Medjugorje. I'm going home to do a little siesta, but I want to show you the atmosphere. Fortunately there's a little wind and which is very good. But they said it's going to be 40-45 degrees in July, August. I wonder how that is going to be, because it's already very hot now. And but life is good in Medjugorje. I had just a very nice talk. I had some pizza bread and met some people from my home country Germany and from Cameroon. And really you meet soulful people when you come to Medjugorje. People with a lot of heart. And strongly can recommend to come. And yeah, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, that other people can also see the beauty of Medjugorje. And here we go. That's the main street. And you can get a lot of stuffy rosaries, and in the evening at the mass you can get it blessed. Really nice stuff, as you can see here. Okay. There we go, you see. And also when you come to Medjugorje, on Wednesday, Fridays, merry meals, you can get free water and bread. As there is the fasting days, it's the local bakeries, they give this bread as a donation, and you can go to merry meals over there and take some bread and some water. See here on the back. Same shirt. Here you have the famous Gardens pub and restaurant. And you see not many people on the street. Reconstruction here.
Look this. Work I don't have. Look.
Oh, let me have a look.
Look.
Oh, he's tired. Hi there.
This.
Wow, thank you.
Now look.
Hard work.
I'm working.
Yes, very good.
Very nice.
Great man.
Yeah.
Thank you. Ciao.
Oh.
And there we go. You see, it's tough work. In that heat to work, it's enormous. We go over there. You have the post office, and the bus station is over there. And there's another bakery. I showed you in the other YouTube video another bakery on the other side of town. And here you have St. Nicola Bakery, which is a very good bakery as well. It's over there on that side. So I wish you a joyful, beautiful day wherever you are. Pray for me, I pray for you. Remember, we are the Hallelujah people and we spread joy around the world. If not we Christians, who will spread joy? You see in the back on the top Cross Mountain, and I leave you with that view on Cross Mountain. Bye bye for now.